Well, hello, it's Kevin. Hey, I'm going to show you how to add the waivers to Canvas. So I know there's different ways of doing many things. I'm going to show you how I do it, and hopefully it helps you out and I don't make too many mistakes along the road. So first thing we're going to do is I go to Sacramento City College or losrios.edu. I go to Canvas and I open up my Canvas shells. So these are the ones I have. And what I'll do is I've already created some of my courses already, but I'll add it to this one here that has absolutely nothing in it so far. So if I click that, here we go. I've got nothing. It's a brand new shell. Actually, I'm going to go back one and I'm going to show you that if these are unpublished and they popped up, if you don't see the courses you want, go to Courses, All Courses, and here are all the courses that you have, and you should be able to find the one you want to work on if it doesn't show up in your dashboard. So I've already got them starred, so they show up on my dashboard. So if it's not there, you can just click the little star and then it'll, well, you should be able to click star there, and it should go into your dashboard. So go back to dashboard, and we're going to add the waivers to this class. So you can see it's brand new. I haven't done anything to it. At some point, I'll show you how I import all my courses in. It's really simple. But to add the waivers, I'm going to go to Modules. And you can see there's nothing here. So I have to create a module. So I'm going to create a new module, and I'll name it something. Let's name it Waivers. You can name it anything you like, obviously. Waivers. Now we got our waivers here. Okay, so we have to add the waivers to this. So now I'm going to go way over to here to Commons, and I'm going to click on Commons. And once Commons opens up, we have to add both waivers. So we have to look for them. So I search by sign the lab waiver is what you could put, sign the lab waiver, but it already popped up for me. And this is the one I want, the first one. Sign the lab waiver, Los Rios Community College District. So click on sign the lab waiver. And this is the one I want. I'm going to click import download right over here. Import download. And now I have to select the course I want it to go into. So I was working in 312. So that's spring 22 of 312. So I'm going to click that and put import into course. And that says you have successfully started the import. It may take a little while. All right, we're going to go find the other one. So we're going to go back to search. And now we'll search for sign the aeronautics. Sign the aeronautics lab waiver. And there it is. So we'll click on that one. Go back to import download. Select the course I wanted to, which was for me is spring 22 aero 312. Import into course. All right, so we've selected both of them and we send them over the course. Now we've got to go back to that course. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to go back to my dashboard, find the course I wanted it to go into in the first place, right here, and back to modules. All right, so here's that module that I created, and I want to put both of them in there. So I'm going to click this little plus right here to add something, and I have to select quiz. So hopefully I didn't do that too fast. So assignment, and they're always going to be under quiz. And there they are right there. Sign the lab waiver and the aeronautics lab waiver. So select one, click add item. Boom, there it is. Now we're going to put the other one in. So we're going to come up here, click the plus, make sure we're on quiz, go to sign the lab waiver. Oops, I think I did that one already. Yeah, I need the aeronautics waiver. So sign the aeronautics waiver, add the item. They're both there. And we're almost done, actually. All you have to do is click this right here to make sure that it's active and published, and it is ready for students to go. Now, if we look at how I actually use it in my courses, we'll go up to one where I've already added it into 310, modules. And I actually create a module, and I call it course resources, where I put the syllabus, And then I have a quiz that they have to do. That means that they've read the quiz and agree to the quiz. Then I have the waiver and then aeronautics lab waiver and then anything else I want to add in there. But what I do over here is I'm going to go to this and I'm going to put edit. And I actually force students to do this. And so I require all of the students to do everything in a sequential order before it unlocks the rest of the class. So until they do that, they can't actually access anything else in the class, and it kind of forces them to do it. And so they must move through the requirements in order. So first they have to open up and view the syllabus. Then they have to take the syllabus test and they have to get 100%. Then they have to sign the lab waiver, and it's only 1 point out of 1 point, and then sign the aeronautics waiver at 1 point, 1 point. And then here's the next assignment I did. I have to do a dirty dozen thing and have to submit it to me for grading. And then we'll open up the rest of the class. So I don't need to change that. So that is how to add the waivers to Canvas.